We'll guide you through how to install Ubuntu on Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure your Docker desktop application is actively running smoothly in the background. Open a terminal application like PowerShell or command prompt on your system to begin managing your environment. You must pull the official Ubuntu operating system image to your machine by executing the standard Docker pull command for the latest Ubuntu version. Run a new Ubuntu container by executing a Docker run command that explicitly opens an interactive terminal, assigns the custom name 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 system to the container, selects the latest image, and launches a functional bash shell inside. Press the Enter key to enter the newly created container. Inside this isolated environment, update the internal package list by running the Advanced Package Tool Update command. Install common utilities by executing the install command with the yes flag to automatically approve adding both 𝗟𝗘 and nano to your system. Verify the successful software installation by checking their specific version numbers using either the 𝗟𝗘 version or nano version commands. You can now use and explore this container exactly like a normal, fully functional Ubuntu terminal. When you are finished working, type the word exit and press Enter to leave the container safely. To easily restart and reattach to the very same container, use the Docker start command combined with the interactive flags targeting my Ubuntu system. Stop the container from running by using the Docker stop command on my Ubuntu system when it is temporarily not in use. Remove the container entirely using the Docker remove command on my Ubuntu system if you decide you no longer need it. Finally, to free up disk space, remove the image using the Docker remove image command for the latest Ubuntu release.